What clever theft schemes have led to criminal charges? Imagine someone tricking a bank into giving them millions without ever touching a gun or breaking a window. That's the kind of cleverness some thieves use to commit property crimes. These schemes often involve sneaky methods that make it hard to catch the culprits. From fake identities to digital tricks, criminals are always finding new ways to steal and get away with it, at least for a while. Understanding these schemes helps us see how law enforcement fights back and what defenses might work if you're accused. One common trick is check fraud using fake or stolen identities. Criminals create fake businesses or use stolen personal details to open bank accounts. They deposit fake checks, often from government sources, and cash them before the bank catches on. For example, some schemes involve insiders at banks helping open or alter accounts, allowing thieves to steal millions meant for veterans or small businesses. Defending against this can involve questioning whether the accused knew about the fraud or if the evidence was properly handled. Another tricky scheme is identity theft combined with credit card fraud. Criminals target wealthy individuals or companies by hacking into accounts or stealing card details. They then make unauthorized purchases or transfers, sometimes accessing hundreds of accounts. Charges often include identity theft, wire fraud, and credit card fraud. Defenders might argue the accused had no access or that the evidence was wrongly gathered. Tax refund fraud is also a big problem. Criminal groups file false tax returns using stolen identities, claiming refunds for millions of dollars. Sometimes they work with multiple people to move money through complex financial transactions. Defending these cases involves showing the accused did not participate or lacked the knowledge of the scheme. Embezzlement is another form of theft that can involve clever schemes. Employees in trusted positions create fake records or make unauthorized purchases. For example, an employee might use a virtual credit card to buy personal items and hide it with fake documents. Defense strategies include proving the accused lacked intent or that the evidence was manipulated. With digital currencies like cryptocurrencies gaining popularity, criminals now use these to launder money or steal funds. They run services that hide illegal transactions, often involving large sums. Charges include money laundering conspiracy and wire fraud. Defending these cases can be tricky, as digital transactions leave a trail that investigators analyze closely. Challenging the evidence or the defendant's involvement can be part of the defense. When defending someone accused of these schemes, it's important to scrutinize the evidence carefully. Did the person knowingly take part? Was the evidence collected legally? Understanding how digital or financial transactions work can reveal weaknesses in the case. Since many schemes involve multiple people, showing the accused was not involved in the core actions or lacked the intent can make a big difference. In the end, these clever theft schemes show how criminals use technology and deception to commit property crimes. From fake checks and stolen identities to complex digital transactions, law enforcement works hard to catch them. For those facing charges, challenging the evidence on intent and procedural grounds is often the best way to defend themselves.